Dito sa Tabaco City sa Albay, pininturahan ng kulay bahaghari ang harap ng Legislative Building na siya ring opisina ng Vice Mayor of the city. Obviously, this is to celebrate Pride this June, although also to honor the contributions to the city of its LGBTQIA+ constituents.
Ito po para sa akin ay napaka-importante dahil para maliwanagan ang mga tao na hindi po kami basta bakla lang. Kami po ay bakla na mahalaga at we deserve to be valued by everyone.
Tabaco City is covered by Albay Province's Anti-Discrimination Ordinance. This prohibits discrimination based on sexual orientation, gender identity, and gender expression, meaning protected ang human rights ng LGBTQIA+ people dito, supposedly. Mahalagang ma-emphasize ito dahil sa need of LGBTQIA+ people dito to be always seen, to be always included. Halimbawa, madalas sumabog ang Bulkang Mayon, and Tabaco, which has a population of approximately 200,000, is among the local government units na apektado. In the service delivery, sa napag-alaman ng Outrage Magazine, madalas excluded ang LGBTQIA+ persons solely because of who they are and who they love.
Medyo mahirap po talaga na i-handle or i-manage po pagdating po sa discrimination. So that's what I am thinking po na mas pagtuunan pa po nila pagdating po sa legal protection po.
At dito nga sa Tabaco, ngayong Hunyo, pinapakita yung support, superficial as this may be, through the public display of pride. Ito si Michael Davitan para sa Outrage Magazine.